Hello students, we were discussing about the operator questions asked in campus placement exams. Operators seems to be very simple, but to know the exact evaluation of these operators, we need to know the operator precisions and its associativity. In the last video, I have covered some of the operators and their rules of precisions and associativity. So for those who have missed my last video, can go through the link provided in the description box or click on the above I button. So there will be more placements in the industries in the upcoming years, and the questions of C programming are the major part in the campus placement exams. So to know more about the topics related to C programming and the questions asked in campus exams, please subscribe my channel so that I can help you to crack the campus. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also be benefited. So let's move towards our questions. This is our question number 1. What will be the output of following program? So you have to tell the output of this program, and these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, an integer variable I is declared and is initialized with the value 16. The next statement is an assignment statement where two operators are used. So first one is the logical NOT operator and second one is the relational operator. So while evaluating such type of expression, I recommend you to refer the chart of operator precisions where you will get the order of precisions. So order of precisions of all the operators. So like if you refer that chart, you will come to know that in this the first operator, that this is the logical NOT operator, have the greater precisions than this relational operator greater than. So therefore, of course, this will be evaluated first because it have the greater precisions. So here not I, that means not 16, value of I is here 16. So not 16 will be evaluated first. So here 16 is a integer, positive integer value, which is always referred as the value true. Every positive integer value will be referred as value true and therefore not true. So not true becomes false, and false value is represented with value 0, integer value 0. So hence this expression becomes 0 greater than 15. So 0 greater than 15, this condition will become false, and false value is represented with the value 0. So 0 will be stored in the variable I, and with the next statement value of I will be displayed like this, I equals to, so value of I is 0, so output will be I equals to 0. Hence the output of this program is option C. So this is our next question where you have to tell the output of this program, and these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, integer variable a is declared and is initialized with the value 0. And the next statement is an assignment statement where there are two operators. So this is a logical OR operator and this is a bitwise OR operator. So let us see how this expression is going to be calculated. So we know that bitwise OR operator, that means this is a bitwise OR operator. So it has precisions, it has greater precisions over the logical OR operator, that means over this operator. So in this expression, this operator has greater precisions than this logical operator. So here, therefore, this expression is actually for OR 2 or 1. So where 2 or 1 will be executed first because it has greater precisions. So let us see how this 2 or 1 will be calculated. So we know that the 2 is represented in the binary format like this. So 2 will be equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So similarly, 1 is represented in binary format like this. So while ORing this two value, 2 or 1, so while ORing this value, the corresponding bits will be odd. That means 0 or 1, it will be equals to 1, 1 or 0 will be equals to 1, then 0 or 0 will be equals to 0, and so on. So all the other bits will be equals to 0. So hence the result of 2 or 1 will be equals to 3. So therefore this value, that is 2 or 1, will be equals to value 3. So now the expression becomes 4 logical operator or 3. So this will be calculated, that is 4 or 3. And we know that this both operands, that is 4 and 3, are the non-zero values, integer positive integer values. So that values are always referred as the true value. So hence true or true. So true or true will return value true, and true value is represented with the value 1. So therefore the complete value of this expression will become 1, and 1 will be stored in variable a, and value of a will be displayed. So that means value 1 will be displayed with this program. So hence the output of this program is a. So this is our next question, where you have to tell the output of this program, and these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, variable x and y are declared as of integer data type. By the next statement, x equals to in brackets 100 comma 200. So with this statement, the whatever comes in brackets will be solved first, and in brackets there is a comma operator, and we know that the comma operator is a binary operator that evaluates its first operand and discards the result. So that means this 100 will be discarded by the comma operator, and then evaluates the second operand and returns this value. So therefore second value will be returned by this expression. So 200 will be returned and it will be stored in variable x. So same here, consider the next statement where there is no brackets. So here y equals to 100 comma 200. So as there is no bracket here, and we know that the precedence of equal to operator is greater than the comma operator. So therefore y equals to 100 will be executed first. That means with this statement 100 will be stored in variable y, and with the next printf function value of x and y will be displayed like x equals to value of x, that is 200, comma y equals to value of y, that is 100. So hence this, by this printf function output will be x equal to 200 comma y equals to 100. So hence the output of this program is D. So this is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, you might be thinking that there is an error in this program because we are using here comma instead of semicolon. So here in this program, this comma is not acts as an operator. This comma is not acting as an operator, but it acts as a separator between the two printf function. So therefore this will not give any error because we can use comma instead of semicolon in certain statements like we have used here. So therefore the output of this program will be same as if semicolon is there. So therefore the output will be with this first printf function C will be displayed, and after that with the second printf function campus will be displayed. So hence the output of this program will be C campus. So the correct option is option B. So this is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, integer variable x is declared and is initialized with the value 0xa. And we know that the value preceding with 0x is considered as the hexadecimal integer constant. So here x is initialized with the hexadecimal integer constant, that is 0xa. So consider the next statement here, x equal to x, or this is a bitwise OR operator. So x or 0x04. So this will be executed here. So in this statement, right hand side will be executed first. So let us see how this will be executed. So here consider the expression. So firstly we will see that x equals to value 0xa. So the binary representation of 0xa is 1010. So now consider this expression. So let us solve this expression, x or 0x04. So the value, firstly value of x is 0xa, the binary equivalent of 0xa is 1010, and the second operand is 0x04. The binary equivalent of this value, this hexadecimal number, is 0100. So therefore these two values will be ORed, and therefore while ORing this the corresponding bits will be odd. So therefore 0 or 0 is 0, 1 or 0 is 1, 0 or 1 is 1, and 1 or 0 is 1. So hence the complete value of this expression will be equals to 1110, which is equals to decimal 14. So therefore value 14, value of this expression is 14. So that value will be stored in the variable x, and by the next statement value of x will be displayed. That means 14 will be displayed with this printf function. So now consider the next statement, that is x or equal to 0x01. So see here, this operator is a shorthand assignment operator, and this operator, the statement here is x or equal to 0x01 will be equivalent to the statement x equal to x or 0x01, because this or equal to is a shorthand assignment operator. So therefore it will be expanded like this, x equal to x or 0x01. So let us solve this expression. So the value of x is now 1110. So this will be there. Then the second operand is 0x01. So the binary equivalent of 0x01 is 0001. So these two values will be odd. Therefore 0 or 1 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, and 1 or 0 is 1. So hence the output or value of this expression will be 1111, which is equals to, or which is equivalent to, the decimal value 15. So therefore the value 15 will be stored in variable x. So and with the next printf function value 15 will be displayed, that is value of x, that is value 15 will be displayed. So hence with the complete program the output will be, by this printf function 14 will be displayed, and by this 15 will be displayed. So hence the output of this will be option A, that is 14 comma 15. So this is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, you can see that this is the same program I have just explained you. The only difference in the last program and this program is the format specifier which I have used. In the last program, I have used their %d, which is used to print the value in decimal format. But here in this program, I have used the format specifier as %x, which is used to print the value in hexadecimal format. So let us see how the output of this program will be. So here the value of x is 0xa. So the binary representation of this hexadecimal value is 1010. So now consider this expression x equals to x or hexadecimal 04. So let us solve this expression first. Value of x is 1010 here, and the value that is second operand, that is 0x04. So binary equivalent of 0x04 is 0100. So hence these two will be odd, and the answer of this OR operation is 1110. So which I have explained in last program also. So the output of this expression is value, or evaluation of this expression is 1110, which is equivalent to decimal 14 and hexadecimal value E. So hence the value 14 will be stored in variable x, but because of this printf function, value 14, that is value of x, will be displayed in hexadecimal format. So hence the output for this printf function will be E. So hexadecimal value corresponding to variable x, that is value 14, is E. So therefore this statement will print the value E comma. So similarly, consider the next expression that I have explained in last program also. So here the result of this expression is 1111. Okay, so I think there is no need to explain this, as I have explained you in the last program also. So the result of this expression is 1111. So by this value, by this statement, x will contain the value 1111, which is equivalent to decimal value 15 and the hexadecimal value f. So therefore by this statement x will contain the value 15, and because of this printf function, this 15 value will be displayed in hexadecimal format, that is f. So because of this printf function, output will be f. So the complete output for this program will be E comma F. So which is the correct answer for this is option B. So this is our question number 7. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, integer variable v is declared and is initialized with the hexadecimal constant 0f. And consider the next statement, which is an assignment statement, that is v and equals to negation of 0x02. So let us see this expression, how it is going to be calculated. So see here, v is equals to 0x0f, that is the hexadecimal constant, and the binary representation of this hexadecimal constant is 1111. So now we'll solve this expression, that is v and equals to negation 0x02. So here this is a shorthand assignment operator which can be expanded like this. So that means this statement is equivalent to v is equal to v and negation 0x02. So let us solve this expression. In this expression, right hand side will be solved first. So here, this is the right hand side, that is v and negation 0x02. So value of v is 1111, and then negation of 0x02, the binary representation of 02 is 0010. So therefore that negation of 0010 is equals to 1101, and then after this will be calculated, that 1111 and 1101 will be calculated like this. So this is the first operand, that is 0x0f, and this is the second operand, that is negation of 0x02. So these two will be ANDed. So see here, 1 and 1 will be equals to 1, then 1 and 0 will be equals to 0, 1 and 1 equals to 1, and 1 and 1 will be equals to 1. So therefore the AND result of this expression is 1101, which is equals to decimal 13, and it is equivalent to the value D in hexadecimal number system. So hence this value 13 value will be stored in variable v, and by the next statement value of v will be displayed in the decimal format. Firstly v will be displayed in decimal format, that is 13 will be displayed, after that comma will be displayed, and here value of v in hexadecimal format will be displayed, which is d. So therefore the output of this program will be 13 comma d, and which is equals to option E. So hence the correct answer is option E. So this is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see this program. So in this program, integer variable I is declared and is initialized with the value 10. And in the next statement this value of this expression will be displayed. So with the let us see this expression. So in this expression this plus plus I will be executed first, this will be evaluated first because it is in the bracket. So plus plus I, so plus plus I value will be becomes here 11, I value of I is 10, so plus plus I will be equals to 11. So this expression will become 11 plus plus, and we know that plus plus operator can't be used with the constant, and here 11 is the constant. 11 here plus value of plus plus I will be equals to 11. So therefore this statement will generate an compile time error. So there is an error in this program, hence the correct option from these options is D, that is compile time error. So this is our next question where you have to tell the output of the program, and these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So in this program, so we have to assume that the size of character is 1 byte and the size of integer is 4 byte, because the output of this program is compiler dependent. So here we have to assume the compiler where the size of character is 1 byte and the size of integer is 4 byte. So here in the printf function, so there are two arguments, %d for printing the integer value and the other argument is the size of operator. So here the size of operator is used and the operand here is the printf function. So, but here you must know that an expression inside or any expression inside the size of operator does not get evaluated. So that means this hello will not be printed with this printf function. But we know that the printf function returns the value which is equals to the number of characters it is printing. So as there is this printf function will not printing the value hello, but it will return the number of characters. So here the number of characters that is going to be printed is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So hence this printf function will return value 5, and hence the expression becomes size of 5, and the 5 is of integer type. So that means here the size of integer will be displayed, and the size of integer here is said that it is 4 byte. Hence the output with this printf function will be equals to 4, and hence the output will be option B. This is our next question where you have to tell the output of this program, and these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program integer variable x is declared and is initialized with the value 2. In the next statement this conditional operator is used. This question mark colon is the conditional operator and it is the only ternary operator in C language. So while executing or while evaluating this operator, firstly this condition will be evaluated. So this condition will be either true or false. So if this condition is true, then the expression after question mark will be executed. and if this is equals to false, if this condition is false, then the expression after colon will be executed. So here in this program, firstly this expression is going to be calculated. So here in this expression, the bitwise operator AND is used. So hence x and 1 will be evaluated, and let us see how this will be going to be evaluated. So firstly, the value of x is 2. So therefore, this is in decimal format. So in hexadecimal or in binary format, this is represented like this: 00000010. So hence the binary format of x is this. Now consider the expression that is x and 1. So this is the value of x. So this is binary format of x. This is ANDed with the value 1, and the binary format of 1 is this. So 00000001. So these two values will be ANDed. So while ANDing these two values, the corresponding bits are ANDed. So that is 0 and 1, it will be equals to 0. 1 and 0, it will be equals to 0. 0 and 0 will be equals to 0, and so on. So hence the output of this x and 1 will be equals to 0. So hence this is equals to 0. That means 0 is equals to false. So by default 0 is value. If there is value 0, then it is treated as false. So this condition is false. That means the expression or statement after colon will be executed. That means printf false will be executed, and therefore the output of this program will be false. Hence the correct option is option C.